Did you wake up? Good morning. She just woke up. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. It's Mother's Day weekend. Every year for Mother's Day, my grandma, she's in a sorority, so we go have breakfast with her in her sorority. So I'm going to get ready for that. Ellie just woke up. Brandon's in the shower. Dominic is still snoozing. He's a night owl. He stayed up till like midnight. Good morning, pretty girl. You want to come out of your little burrito? Let's get her out of her little burrito, baby. Hi. I love these little sleep sacks. The hospital gave us one because it's the one where you can like swaddle her completely with her arms in, or her arms can be out. And I went to Target yesterday to look for more, and they're expensive. I was disappointed. Hi. Good morning, girl. Say good morning. Good morning. All right, I gotta go get ready. I just walked out there and my husband said I look good, and he said not bad for and then Braden said man. So I don't ever put makeup on because I have to do my eyebrows, and now that I don't have to do my eyebrows, I put makeup on, and Dominic is scared of me. What the hell, guys? Ellie girl, say hi. Say good morning. Hi. So we're getting ready to go to my we're getting ready to go to Mother's Day brunch with my grandma. We go every single year with her. Braden's not coming today because the time of his game just kind of interferes, so I'm gonna have to leave probably straight from Mother's Day brunch to go to his game. And then Dominic's actually not even playing in his game today because it's at 10, which is exactly when the Mother's Day brunch starts. So this is more important to me than his game, but Braden has to play in his because it's football. Is that bad that one kid is playing in his and the other isn't? I don't know. But we're ready. Hi, Ellie. You ready, girl? You ready? I really don't know what else we're doing today. I don't know. We'll take you guys along with us, though. It's going to be an adventure. Yesterday sucked. Absolutely sucked. It was a terrible day, and it's a hard weekend for me because Mother's Day without my mom is not fun, but you make it through. So, yeah, yesterday sucked. Today will be better. So, we're here at the Mother's Day brunch. We're about to go in. I don't know if I can film here. I'm going to take the camera in with me just in case, and we'll see. You ready to go eat and see Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's hungry, so we're going to go eat. And then we got to head straight to Braden's game after this, so here we go.
Is Grandma in here?
Yeah, Grandma's here.
Yay.
And this is where Papa works. So we're going to see Papa, too. Yay. Okay, guys, we're going to go in. Dominic. Did you get chocolate milk? Yes. Are you so happy? Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. What are you doing? We have mimosas and Darcy and all the kids went to get food.
I'll hold the baby.
Okay, so we just got done with our Mother's Day brunch, and now we got to run over to Braden's football game. I have his flags, his
Gear.
stuff, so we have to get that to him really quick. I have Bobo and Abby with me, so it's gonna be a fun day.
Mommy,
They have not vlogged with us before, so they're gonna vlog today, maybe, possibly. Braden's here. Ready for your game?
Ellie looks.
You ready for your game?
Daddy, she's vlogging.
Sure.
Ellie's like, where did you get that from?
The brunch.
Oh. How was it there, Mommy?
It was good. You ready to win?
Yeah.
How was it? Good?
Yeah. Ava, right?
Yeah?
Bro, you guys are already in trouble, dude.
No?
You guys need to focus on school,
Well, I'm
sports.
focusing.
Yeah. Drink some water, dude.
Drinking water. You're drinking it.
Bobo. Abby.
Hey, Daddy's the Raiders against
Dominic. Ellie.
against.
Shoot. Good job, bud. Hey, I got your touchdown on camera. So we just got home from Braden's game. They won. It was a really good game, and Brandon's mom bought this.
I'm gonna go down and coffee.
Dominic, of course, is afraid of it because it sprays. He doesn't like it.
Okay, now. I'm not going back. Oh, how about I go sideways? Lay down. Your head facing Abby. You were so I can blow how is that tower floating when he's laying on it?
That one's being blown up for
Every time I
boys. Oh no, what's wrong? I'm right here. Ellie has joined us. And she's mad. She's fired up. Are you fired up? Yes. Do you want the boobs?
There you go.
Good job!
I got
It's not a normal day
like
in
a
the
glass of
Geary
wooden
household
glass.
without a meltdown.
So there's these kids that kind of stole my heart. I call them my grandchildren. They call me grandma. And then Brian got her a folding chair that rocks.
So I got this really nice Mother's Day basket. I won it on the radio and it comes with all this stuff. I'm gonna open it and see what's in there. So the first thing here is a nail file.
It's pretty pretty.
And then this is all like hot glued together or some like sticky stuff. There's a scented candle. Yep. It's fresh cut lilac. There's all this like sticky stuff on the bottom.
It looks like dots.
Yeah. This is a luxurious body and face lotion in cucumber citrus. And then we have a detox bubble bath parfait.
What would perfect?
I love taking a bath, a nice bath. Oh, these little fragrance packets, you can put them like in your closet, you can put them in your drawers. They smell good and you kind of put them wherever you want.
Oh my gosh.
It comes with like a bar of soap.
It's two different colors.
Some
Maybe it's two different
coconut chapstick.
You can smell it.
And then this manicure set, which I'm excited for. I usually bite my nails, but I've been trying really hard not to. And I bought some nail polish, so this is perfect. A new scrubby.
It's a loofah.
A loofah. I call it a scrubby. My niece is correcting me.
I call it a loofah.
Comes with some French lavender and citrus bath bombs. I love bath bombs because I love baths. Like if I could just live,
So does Dominic.
if I could live in the bath, I would.
Dominic also loves bath bombs, but me baths. What is that? It's like a towel of some sort.
Oh, I've never had one of these before. It's lavender and peppermint. It's a soothing eye pillow, so it's like if you have headaches or something, you can use this. I've never had one of these, so that's interesting.
You can smell it too.
The last thing that it comes with, other than like the basket that everything is in, which is pretty cute, it's pink with white polka dots.
Oh my gosh. Looks
Oh,
like a
and
bird.
styrofoam.
Looks like a birdhouse.
Is this cute little thing.
Looks like a birdhouse. I have no
Look
idea.
how cute. That's super cute. This was super nice. I won it on the radio, and I was pretty excited for that because it's kind of like a little self-care basket. So yeah, that was super cute. I'm excited to use all this stuff. And then I'll show you the basket that it's in. This is the little basket that it's in, so that'll be useful too. So
Oh my gosh.
super cute. Yay.